Oh yeah, guys, it's a coming. It's a coming. It's about 5:30 Sunday evening. The clouds are rolling in. The wind is picking up. You guys can see the power lines and the other lines, whatever there is. Oh, there goes the dog pole. It's coming. It's gonna be a good one.
Man, this is like typhoon weather. Water, the rain is coming in sideways. It is windy, it is loud. I didn't know we were getting a storm like this. Holy cow, this is crazy. Wow. And somebody's still enjoying videoke. Wow. I didn't expect this. We need it though. We definitely need the rain. It's been so hot here these past couple days. It's to cool things off for a little bit. Wow.
What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there? You guys got to forgive me. I've been having a sore throat here for the past couple days, so my voice may sound a little rough. Anyways, I'm going to share some news here with you guys. I seen this the other day. PhilStar Globe, all right? I seen this and it caught my eye. This came out April 30th, 2023. The headline says, 3 vloggers charged for kidnap prank. The content creator behind Tikomi, which has 4.21 million subscribers on YouTube and 4.21 million followers on Facebook, are facing charges of alarm and scandal before the Las Piñas City Prosecutor's Office for a kidnapping prank that went wrong. 3 vloggers learned the hard way not to stage dangerous pranks for the sake of generating views for the public. The content creator behind Tikomi, which has 4.21 million subscribers on YouTube and 4.21 million followers on Facebook, are facing charges of alarm and scandal before Las Piñas City prosecutors. Sounds like I just read that twice, which I did, because that was at the beginning of the article. Brigadier General Warren D. Leon, Integrity Monitor and Enforcement Group, IMEG, Director, said the complaints against Mark Lester San Rafael, Mark Hiroshi San Rafael, and Elizar Stephen Fuentes were filed by the IMEG personnel who happened to be on the scene when the trio carried out their prank April 6. The vloggers staged a scene where men wearing black bonnets kidnapped an individual along the streets of Barangay CCA-BF International. Unknown to them, an off-duty officer, Sergeant Ronnie Conmingo of the IMEG, was in the front of a near store when the content creators staged the stunt. A police investigator with 27 years of experience in the Philippine National Police, Conmingo immediately pulled out his handgun and ordered them to stop, unaware that it was just a prank. One of the vloggers approached Conmingo and clarified it was just a prank. The policeman was hesitant at first, but later put his handgun down after he was certain it was a stunt. To teach the vloggers a lesson, Conmingo filed a complaint against them before the city prosecutor's office. De Leon admissioned the vloggers for putting themselves in danger for their prank. Oh, De Leon admonished the vloggers for putting themselves in danger with the prank. Be broad-minded. Think carefully about your content you want to do, he said in an interview with police at your Serbia's program over UNTV. The PMP on Friday warned other vloggers never to make jokes about crimes, as they could be held accountable for tumultuous and other disturbances of public order, which carries a prison term of 6 years. So there it is, guys. That's what I don't get it. Unless their content is a video where they do pranks and jokes. That many subscribers and that many viewers, you know, they have a lot of followers. You know, with that many subscribers, that many Facebook people, you know they're making probably pretty good money on YouTube, right? Remember the guy here the other month, that Mr. Poggy Germany fella, remember him? Remember when he tried to pull a stunt and he said it was a joke and it was a prank and there was an underage girl involved? I haven't heard anything about him yet. Is he still sitting in jail? I don't know. But I don't know, I guess people will they do crazy stuff out there, right? A joke gone bad. If that police officer would not have been there, they'd have probably gotten away with the prank, probably gotten away with the joke. They just did it in the wrong, I wouldn't say the wrong person, but the person, the alarm bells went off, all right? I know if I'm standing in the city here, say wherever, and I see a van pull up and people jump out with masks and hoods and grab somebody and take them off, I'm going to be alarmed. I don't know if it's a prank. The people in public don't know it's a prank. Maybe in the States you can get away with that, because I've seen some pretty silly things on YouTube, all right? And once you look at it, and you look at a couple of them, you can tell it's staged, right? You can tell it's staged. But anyways, I thought that was pretty interesting. So, all right, guys, you know what? We are going to head off to the Landers. Guys, I know quite a few people have done videos of Landers, to each their own. A lot of people have done videos of Quassing Falls and El Nido and Boracay. But people bring their own perspective to their videos, right? So anyways, heading off to Landers, and enjoy the rest of it. All right, guys, we are up here at Landers, the biggest, newest superstore here in Angeles City, Philippines. They opened up this past weekend, right? But from the pictures I've seen, this place was packed. It was packed all weekend. It is now Tuesday. We're up here, it's 9:30. Like I said, brand new. We watched this building being built from the ground up. So let's head in here and let me show you. All right, guys, so here's your entrance. If you're not a member, you can sign up right here, the membership. Here's all your carts ready to rock and roll. Here's your store policies. Morning.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, all right. What do you need there, buddy? Good to go. All right. It does say no photography or video, but they're allowing it. Probably because it's brand new. Holy cow. That's a huge cart. That's a big cart. Like I said, I'm not going to give out prices. I'm not going to break everything down for you. This video and this part of the video is just to give you an idea of what they have here. There's all your calendars all through there. As you can see, everything's laid out on skids. Everything's put on skids. Guys, the other day, you guys, that video, in the beginning of the video, you seen that storm that was rolling in? Guys, this place, I seen videos, I'm gonna put it up there for you to see. This place got sprung a leak. It sprung a leak here, and wow, crazy. You never know how well something's built until it's completely done, right? But like I said, I'm just gonna stroll through. Nice big alcohol selection they have here. Here's all their alcohol: whiskey, brandy, rum, France, Italy, South Africa, New Zealand, USA. Here it is, white wine, sparkling wines. And then it floods out into here. More alcohol through here. All through here. Just give you an idea a little bit what they have when it comes to alcohol selection. Give you a pan down through here. This is the main center aisle going down through. You can see everything stacked on big shelves. But so far, it just kind of reminds me of S&R. Just a different name, right? It's like, where do you prefer to shop? Home Depot or Lowe's? Pretty much see everything so far that I have seen in S&R. Price-wise, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not giving out prices. Just gonna stroll back through here. Your candy aisle, freezer section, refrigerated section. That's what I'm interested. I'm interested in the freezer section. What do they got? What do they got in the freezer section? Here's your pastries, your muffins, your breads. What else do we have down through here? A carrot loaf. There's some donuts. Hello. There's your donut section. Pound cake. Cake rolls. More cakes. More muffins. We got Ben & Jerry's here. We do have Ben & Jerry's. They have that at S&R also. Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Nice selection of ice cream. I wonder if they have any ice cream sandwiches. I haven't had one of them in a while. Magnums. There's their good, wow, Snicker. Frozen Snicker bars. Frozen Mar bars. I know, everything that's not good for me, right? Deli. There's all your meats through here. Honey ham, ham. Salami. You guys see it. Here's your bratwurst, your hot dogs, your sausages, your beef franks, grillers. I'm gonna come down here into the cheese section. Nice selection of cheese. Really nice selection. There's your seafood selection. They got fresh seafood here in a tank for your enjoyment. I'm not gonna call it all out. Shrimps and crab, or shrimps and clams. Squid, octopus. There's your crabs. There's more shrimp. There's some fish. See all this, nice here. Big fish. I'm not going to tell you what they are because I don't even know. Wow, look at that. All down through here. Huh? Really nice. Everything's on ice too. It's not like the market. Everything is on your fresh beef area. Got your butcher's back there. Stroll right down through here so you can see the fresh beef. Does look fresh. Everything you need. Produce area. Apples, oranges, grapes, lemons. Your produce area, right? Oh, they got flowers here for sale. If you want to buy your lovely wife or your lovely girlfriend some flowers, they have those flowers here. Bread section back in here. It's cabbage? Yeah. One thing I've learned here, they got a lot of cabbage, but they don't have a lot of lettuce. Here's your lettuce. I just found a lettuce iceberg. It's actually a pretty nice size head of lettuce, considering a lot of them are always just real small. So, yeah, not a bad. Be the first time I've seen this in the Philippines. Slim Fast. So if you're looking to lose weight, they got Slim Fast here. Shoot down the cereal aisle here and see what they have. Honey Nuts, Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunches. Milk is on your right hand side. Lucky Charms, Fruity Pebbles. Seems like they have pretty much everything that S&R has. Maybe a few. Guys, we got a problem. They do not carry Jif peanut butter. Jif peanut butter is the best. They got Reese's, they got Skippies. They've got organic. They even have jelly, guys. They do sell jelly here. Smuckers. It's always limited. Grape jellies. But no. Look, there's no
Jif?
There's no Jif. We can't shop here. There's no Jif. All right, found the snack aisle. You guys see it? You know what they do have here? Pretzels. But I don't like those pretzels. I like the sourdough big pretzels. They even have Fritos here, but they're not Frito scoops. They're twists, honey and barbecue flavored. But they do have Tostito scoops. So I will be grabbing a couple of these Tostito scoops. And remember, always squeeze the bag, make sure there's air in it. Yeah, see what they have. Cheetos, Doritos. Right, so I wanted to show this real quick back in here. I just noticed this. It's like a little coffee shop back in here. Of course, they're selling their Landers products and ice cream. A really nice sitting area. You know, S&R has a little pizza place where everybody sits, but it looks like they have food. Well, it doesn't look like they have food. They do have food back here. I'm not going to jump back in here, but it looks like pizza and chicken. A couple other little things back there, hot dogs. Landers Central. Really nice. I like the seating area. You're not sitting at tables like over at S&R. And it's spread out. It goes back here pretty long. All right, guys, that wraps up our shopping spree here at Landers. Like I said, do you prefer Home Depot over Lowe's? Lowe's over Home Depot? Lud says, she says the fruits are cheaper here than at the market.
Oh, yeah. Certain fruits.
Certain
not all
fruits, not all.
Fruits. Like avocado is
Right.
cheaper over here than actually in the market. Because I just brought avocado in the market. Avocado here too.
This morning.
To make it like frozen.
Right, so you know what? There's certain things here they have that you can't find at S&R and vice versa. But I'll come back. The meat definitely looks fresh. And Lutz said our bill was cheaper than over at S&R when we go over there, and we pretty much got the same thing.
Yeah.
You know, we don't spend a ton of money at S&R. There's only a certain few things that we get there. Same way here with Landers. There's only a certain few things, but
cheese.
Yeah, they didn't have my French fries and they did not have my cheese. However, they had other things that I was interested in. So there it is, guys. I know people are vlogging Landers. Nobody's following anybody. Nobody's, you know, oh, I was there first before. Nobody's doing it. We all give our own perspective of things here in the city. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.